This AI tool is so powerful, it shook the tech world, causing NVIDIA to lose $600 billion in market value overnight. But why? Because it changes everything. In this video, I'll show you how to use Deepseek to streamline your store, optimize listings, and even get AI-driven strategies to boost conversions. Stay until the end because I will reveal a game-changing hack where Deepseek analyzes your entire store and gives personalized growth recommendations. Let's dive in and unlock the power of this revolutionary AI. So what is Deepseek exactly? Deepseek is a free AI-powered chatbot that looks and feels and functions very much like ChatGPT. But here's what makes it stand out. This tool has impressive performance with fewer resources invested into it, something that completely shook the tech industry. And here's something that takes Deepseek to a whole new level, unlocking its hidden super AI mode by enabling two secret buttons, the Deep Think, which is R1, and the search button. Deep Think. This allows Deepseek to reason through complex problems, making it even smarter in handling your requests. And you can even see what Deepseek takes into consideration when analyzing the results. It's like getting a glimpse into the mind behind the machine. Okay, so I need to figure out the best hangout places in Greece. Let's start by recalling what I know about Greece. It's a country in southeastern Europe with many islands, historic sites, beautiful beaches, and vibrant cities, and so on, as you can see. Now, the search button. This lets Deepseek pull real-time data from the web, giving you up-to-date answers instead of relying only on pre-existing knowledge. Deepseek's knowledge base was updated all the way through 2024, and with its web search option, it can pull in real-time, up-to-date data, making it a powerful tool for staying ahead of trends, market shifts, and new opportunities. Oh, and did I mention this tool is 100% free, yet it performs like a premium AI that others charge for. It's not supposing that this tool has quickly become one of the most popular chatbots out there. Just how popular, you ask? Well, it didn't just gain traction. It shot straight to the top of the Apple Store's download charts, making it one of the hottest AI tools on the market right now. Before I dive into all the secrets of how to use Deepseek to maximize your workflow, you first need to set up an account. The process is super simple. Just sign up using your Google account and you're all set. Once you're in, all you have to do is click Start Now and you're ready to go. So lately I've been hearing a lot about people getting stuck because they can't find the perfect name for their dropshipping store. But don't worry, Deepseek can generate the best store name ideas based on your niche, products, or business model. Here's what you'll type. I'm looking for a few name ideas for my dropshipping store. I want a general store that specializes in offering discounts and sending coupons to customers via email. I need a name that includes the words deal or offer. Deepseek will then generate a list of creative and relevant store names. Simply review the options, and once you find a name you like, head over to GoDaddy.com to check if the domain is available. For this example, let's check if the domain dealdropcenter.com is available. I will go ahead to GoDaddy, paste this name, and okay. Yes, this domain is ready to use. And just like that, you'll have the perfect name and domain for your dropshipping store in seconds. So to get the best results from this tool, you need to know how to talk to it So it gives you responses that actually help with your dropshipping business. So let me show you an example. First, I'll tell the chatbot who I am so that everything it generates is relevant to my business. You can start with something like this. Hey, I'm a dropshipper and I'm planning to use Shopify as my platform for dropshipping. I want all your responses in this chat to be tailored for dropshipping. Can you confirm that? By doing this, you're basically training the AI to focus on what matters most to you. And as you can see, we got a confirmation from the Deepseek chatbot, and it even offers us more ways to help, such as marketing, customer service, and so on. So this means we are now good to go even further with the conversation. Now, one of the biggest challenges for dropshipping stores is finding the right niche to sell in. But with this tool, that problem is easily resolved. Just type, I'm looking to add some new products to my Shopify dropshipping store. Give me the top 10 unsaturated niches for 2025 that have a strong presence on social media, like TikTok and Instagram. And from here, make sure to click on the search button to get up-to-date data. And just like that, you'll get a list of the top 10 unsaturated niches for 2025. Niches that are already trending on social media. This means you can leverage the hype and get free traffic from viral posts. Now from here, the next step is simple. Pick one of these niches and head over to Zeek Analytics to start your research. Let's go with the niche cable organizers, a niche I would have never thought of on my own. Now, I'll use the product explorer, enter cable organizer in the search by keywords column, and then just go ahead and click on search. This will show me exactly which products in this niche are selling well in Shopify stores. From there, I can see that one item priced at $19.95 has been sold 107 times in the last 30 days. Now, to source this product, I will click on the item finder and look at that. The same product on AliExpress that cost $4.21. If I sell this product for $19.95 after Shopify fees, I'll be making around $14 of profit per sale. That means this dropshipping store has already made nearly $1,500 from this hidden gem just by selling a simple but in-demand product. And that's it. All you need to do now is start selling this product or others like it in your own dropshipping store. By combining the power of AI with data-driven insights, you can make smart business decisions based on real market trends instead of guesswork. Now that you have an idea of what type of product or niche you want to sell in your store, it's time to move forward and open your store. All right, so we found a winning product and we have a dropshipping store we are selling the product in. Now it's time to create a high converting product description. The best part, you don't need to be a copywriter or have perfect English to do this. Deepseek can do all of the work for you. And here's what you'll have to type. I will send you raw product content copied from the supplier's website. I need you to rewrite it in a user-friendly product description for my Shopify store. Here's the raw content. Then simply copy and paste the product details from the supplier's website we found using Zeek Analytics into the chat. You can literally copy any written text that contains information about the product. And just like that, Deepseek will generate a unique, well-crafted product description ready to be posted in your store. The results are great. I really like the use of the emojis that are blending in with the content I got. Now, if you want to fine-tune it, you can ask Deepseek to revise the text, shorten it, or tweak it until it matches your brand style. No more struggling with product descriptions. So now you've got a great product description, but let's say you've hit the next step, adding a custom code to your dropshipping store. For example, you want to add a section to your homepage that automatically plays a product video on repeat. Sounds sounds complicated? Not at all. Deepseek can actually generate the exact code you need and guide you on where to place it. All you got to do is type, I want to add a section to my Shopify homepage that plays a video automatically on repeat. I need you to generate the code for this and direct me on how to properly implement it in my Shopify store. And boom, Deepseek will instantly provide the code and step-by-step instructions on how to add it to your Shopify store. Yes, you can generate fully functional code in seconds without needing any coding skills. Now it's time to drive traffic to your store, and the most powerful way to do that is through social media. So step 1, identify the best social media platform for your niche. Not all platforms work equally well for every niche. So the first thing I recommend is researching which social media platforms other dropshipping stores in your niche are using. For example, since I'm selling yoga products in my Shopify dropshipping store, I need to analyze successful Shopify stores in the same niche. To do this, I can use the Zeek Store Finder. Go to the search by keyword section. Type in yoga to generate a broad list of relevant stores and one product stores in the store type. Now, I will review all the options I got and pick a few stores that match my selling strategy and offer similar products. So after a review I did to the results I got, here are the 3 yoga dropshipping stores I found that match to my dropshipping store. Now I'll review their social media channels and see where they're focusing their efforts. From a quick analysis, I can see that these 3 stores are running paid ads through Meta ads, Facebook and Instagram. That's great insight because it tells me that Facebook and Instagram ads are working well for competitors in my niche. Additionally, by checking their organic content, I found that their most active social media channels are TikTok and Instagram. Step 3, focus your efforts where it matters instead of spending my efforts across many platforms like YouTube, X, and Snapchat. I now know that my best strategy is organic traffic with TikTok and Instagram, paid ads, Facebook or Meta ads. Step 4, create high-performing social media content with AI. Now, when it comes to creating winning content, I can leverage my competitors' best-performing posts and use Deepseek to generate similar content in my brand's voice. For example, let's say I found a high engagement Instagram reel post from a competitor that shares a workout for the ultimate booty burn. And I can type this into Deepseek. I like this social media post content. And then you paste the content. This post copy belongs to a competitor of mine, and it gained high engagement. Create a short Instagram reel post about a green extra large yoga mat I'm selling in my dropshipping store and base the post on the one I sent you. And there you go. Deepseek will generate a high converting post content using the same tone and style as the successful competitor post, but uniquely crafted to your brand. You can repeat this for any platform, whether it's a paid ad or an organic post, and optimize it based on real market data plus the power of AI. All right, before we continue with even more ways to use Deepseek to automate and simplify your dropshipping journey, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future content. And if you want to use the same product research tools I'm showing you in this video, you can subscribe to Zeek Analytics for just $1 for the first week. Now, from my experience, one of the most cost-effective and high-converting ways to generate sales from people who have already interacted with your Shopify store is email marketing. And for that, I'll use Deepseek to do all of the hard work for me. Let's say I want to create a Valentine's Day email campaign. I need 2 email sequences, one for my entire mailing list and one for those who didn't open the first email. All I have to do is type this. I want to create an email marketing campaign for my Shopify store. I need 2 emails, one for my entire mailing list, and one for those who didn't open the first email. This is a Valentine's Day campaign, so include that theme in the content. Also provide an engaging subject line for each email and a place for me to share a 15% off coupon code. And that's it. Deepseek will generate both emails, the first one as you can see here, and the second email in the sequence. All of that with complete subject lines and even suggested a name to the coupon. This means no more struggling to write persuasive emails. Just copy, paste, and send. Because Deepseek can pull real-time data from the web, it's an amazing tool for generating up-to-date blog ideas. As you probably know, adding relevant, trend-driven blog content to your dropshipping store is a powerful way to rank higher on the search engines like Google or Bing. Why? Because search engines recognize that your website isn't just selling products, it's also providing valuable fresh content to visitors. Instead of spending time brainstorming blog topics, just let Deepseek do the work. Provide me with 5 blog article topics for my Shopify dropshipping store that sells yoga products. Make sure the topics are trendy and relevant to current hot topics. And there you have it, a list of blog topics designed to boost your store's visibility. Now, let's say you like one of the topics. For example, the rise of yoga tech, how smart gadgets are transforming your practice. You can take it a step further and type, I like this topic. Please write a user-friendly and SEO-optimized blog post on this subject up to 2 pages long. As you can see, Deepseek generates a ready-to-publish blog post in seconds. I even have the keywords Deepseek used for SEO, and if I have other keywords I want to implement in the blog post, I can ask Deepseek to add them naturally. Once you refine the blog article, all you need to do is copy, paste, and add relevant images to your Shopify store's blog section, and it's good to go. One strategy that works really well with Deepseek is creating ebooks. And you'd be surprised how powerful they are for collecting customer contact information. Now, why does this matter? Because when you offer a valuable ebook for free in exchange for an email address, you can grow your email marketing list effortlessly. And if you run a niche store, you can even sell the ebook as a digital product, which means pure profit since there are no production costs. For example, if you have a pet supply store, you could create an ebook titled The Ultimate Guide to Training Your Dog at Home, 10 Expert Tips and Tricks. You could either give it away to build your email list or sell it as an additional revenue stream. So let's go step by step on how to do this using Deepseek. First, write me a 6-page ebook on the topic, 10 tips and tricks for having a good meditation. Deepseek will then generate a fully written ebook in seconds, ready to use, including copyright section, disclaimer, and about the author. Next, take the text and go to Canva. Choose an ebook template, create a simple but eye-catching cover, and format the text with some engaging images that match the topic. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you'll have a complete, professionally written ebook that you can use to collect emails, sell as a digital product, or position yourself as an expert in your niche. Another powerful strategy to reach new audiences is by combining Deepseek with the similar web free Chrome extension. Here's how it works. First, I'll go to a successful dropshipping store that sells similar products to mine or operates in the same niche. If you're unsure how to find one, you can use the Zig Store Finder, just like I showed earlier. Now, once I've found a competitor store, I'll use the similar web Chrome extension to analyze its traffic sources. The key insight here is to find out which countries are engaging most with the store. Let's take a look at this example. Here, I'll open the similar web extension for this particular store and scroll down to the geography section. And look at this. The majority of traffic is not coming from the US. Instead, the top visitors are from Italy, Finland, and the UK. This is a gold mine of information because now I know that 50% of the store's audience is not even native English speakers. Now, here's where Deepseek becomes extremely useful. Since I now know which countries have high engagement, I can translate my ads and social media posts into those languages to maximize conversions. Deepseek is not only great at translating, but it also adapts the text to the local slang and culture of each country. So let's say I have an ad or a social media post in Italy. I'll type into Deepseek. Take this copy and translate it into Italian. If needed, adjust it to fit the local language and slang. And just like that, you'll have a perfectly localized ad that speaks directly to the target audience in their native language. Now I can post this content organically and use it for paid ads to attract a well-targeted, high-converting audience. Nothing increases engagement like speaking to people in their own language, and this strategy lets you reach untapped markets with zero extra effort. Lastly, one of the best uses of Deepseek is to get personalized recommendations on how to make your store super user-friendly. This tool isn't just a chatbot. It can scan and analyze websites. So why not take advantage of that and let it review your store to give you the best up-to-date recommendations for improvement. Instead of getting generic advice, Deepseek can provide custom store-specific insights after actually checking your site. Now, to do this, well, first I will turn on the Deepseek. The Deepseek AI chatbot can access the website and provide me with suggestions by analyzing it directly. The AI will then generate improvement recommendations based on its findings. Now, after that, I will write, can you review this Shopify store and tell me what you would change to improve the user experience? And then you would type in the URL. Now, using the Deepseek R1 feature, Deepseek will generate a detailed report with tailored recommendations specifically for your store. This is pure gold for me. It's like having a team of e-commerce experts reviewing my dropshipping business and providing the best strategies to boost my store. This is a game changer because instead of spending hours trying to figure out what's wrong or what could be improved, you get clear, actionable insights in seconds, designed specifically for your store, not just generic advice. All right, so that's the end of this video. I hope you now have the knowledge and strategies to use Deepseek in a smarter and more efficient way for your dropshipping business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more game-changing tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.